The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas, southwestern Faulkner County in central Arkansas, Perry County in central Arkansas, northeastern Garland County in central Arkansas, south central Conway County in central Arkansas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Jesseville, or 13 miles north of Hot Springs Village, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and baseball-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Maumelle, Morrilton, Perryville, Optello, Perry, Adona, Houston, Sequoia Park, Williams Junction, Roland and Pulaski County, Little Italy, Y Mountain, Pinnacle Mountain State Park, Plumerville, Bigelow, Atlin, Fuchs, Antioch and Perry County, Y and Thornburg. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 108 and 111. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, east central Saline County in central Arkansas, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near East End, or 12 miles southeast of southwest Little Rock, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and baseball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wrightsville around 5:50 p.m., Estes around 5:55 p.m., Scott around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Bredlow Corner, Higgins, Parker's Iron Springs, Carrie Lock and Dam, Woodson, Henley, and Willow Beach. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 6 and 16. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a